Good morning, guys. It's currently 6:30 a.m. on a Monday, and I'm on my way for a job interview. Yeah, guys, I need to keep on searching, I need to keep on going for these interviews. I need to keep playing offensive. That's how you win. You need to keep playing offensive. That's how you win. So I'll tell you how it goes, and hopefully I get a job. I land a job. Let's see and see what's up. So I'm currently at Ole Kasasi, heading to Masai Lodge, and then head to town because I'm interviewing for a job in town, in the city center. Let's go, guys. Wish me well. So currently at Masai Lodge, and it's already getting congested. Already having traffic. Currently behind Ongatarongai bus, and we are at Karen next to Hotel Troy. And as you can see, guys, traffic is all the way, but at least it's moving. It looks like people from these sides wake up at around 6. So for those who woke up at 5, I think they should be already in town. So next time maybe I should wake up earlier to avoid this traffic. And as you can see on the left, we have the Nairobi National Park. On my right, Nairobi National Park. That's why you can see these baboons that are just there. And then on the right, it's Karen. Currently at Langata Road next to Wilson Airport. And there's no traffic here today, hopefully. We are cruising smoothly. Uhuru Highway, El Serasia roundabout, 7 in the morning. Oh man, I think I should just quit my job and start Ubering or Bolting. What do you guys think? Because I'm always behind the steering wheel. Memories. This takes me back, man, to when I was in high school. Sonko Lane. I used to pass by here almost every single day during the holidays. And one day I'ma be a Sonko. So that reminds me of, Sonko or riches. The best place in the world, the Nairobi Expressway. Whoa! Yeah, come on. Oh man, if you don't have your driving license, get it ASAP. Get it ASAP, man. And come and enjoy the Nairobi Expressway. Thank God for the Nairobi Expressway. That was one of the best days of my life so far. Oh man, look at this beautiful sunset. I'm gonna miss this. But I thank God so much for the blessings that I've had today. Guys, big things coming, big things coming. Stay tuned to get more information on my next plan for the next 2 weeks.